What's going on, guys? My name is Eileen and I am back to making videos again for you guys. How's everyone going? I hope you're all doing well. I miss making videos, so yeah. So I've been playing a lot of Call of Duty lately, like Modern Warfare and Cold War. Not so much with Warzone, just because I have an older graphics card and I can't find a 3060 Ti or anything at all, even a 2060 or something like that as a temporary upgrade, because I also want to build a new PC just because of COVID and all that. I haven't been able to do that. Yeah, I've been playing a lot of Call of Duty, so I thought why not upload a lot of Call of Duty for you guys for fun, because I miss editing and I learn a lot of things when I edit and I upload my videos here on YouTube. So yeah, I am back. So why not start off by unboxing a few RAZER Mercury White gear. Surviving 2020, I thought I should get myself these as a reward and help me keep making videos again for you guys. So yeah, it's been a while since I had RAZER. My first gaming setup is all RAZER, and then I tried to venture out and I keep coming back to RAZER, especially now they have the Mercury White lineup. So yeah, I'm so excited to unbox this. Here's the RAZER Atheris. Here is the RAZER Seiren Mini, which I'm very excited about. And my favorite one that we are going to be unboxing today is the RAZER Huntsman Mini. Yes, I'm so happy when they came out with a 60% keyboard because I've been wanting a 60% in such a long time. Let's go ahead and start unboxing. So first, we are going to unbox this RAZER Atheris. I got rid of all the tapes just so you guys don't see me struggling with the unboxing in the video. Oh gosh, something's falling out at the back. So here is your typical RAZER, like welcome to the cult of RAZER and stuff like that. And they have stickers and warranty information and all that. It's so tiny! It's so cute. It takes 2 batteries. So yeah, let's go ahead and open. This is so cute. So it comes with 2 double A batteries right here, and here is the mouse. If it focus, yeah, it's so tiny. You can connect. I believe you can connect 2 devices simultaneously. I have a laptop and then my PC. So in case here we go. There's the Bluetooth and that's the USB. So I believe the USB is inside here. So this one is magnetic and the USB dongle is inside. All right, now for the RAZER Seiren Mini. So if you open it, you'll see this paperwork. It's the same thing as the one that every RAZER product has. Oh, there's no sticker on this one. Stickers are important to me, as you can see. Oh, okay. So this one does not come with the RAZER, what do you call this? The RAZER Mercury White sticker. It comes with just the regular green one. There we go. So let's see what this is. This is the USB cable for your mic. So I'm guessing this one is the neck for the stand. All right. Ooh, it's so small. That is so cute. So that's what it looks like. What I'm using right now for recording is a Yeti. So this is my Yeti, and this is the RAZER Seiren Mini. So if you guys are wondering why am I switching from Yeti to Seiren Mini, simple answer to that is just because of aesthetics. It's just smaller. If I can have my picture of my setup here on the screen for you guys, you can see that my microphone is in the middle of two of my screens. It's pretty big and it blocks my view on my other screen, so I kind of like this size. Last but not least, it's the stand, I'm guessing. It is the stand. So it goes like this. It's so cute! Look at that! So at the back, there's no buttons or anything like that. It's just an LED light indicator thing. And also at the back, right here is the USB, micro USB. Alright, so here is what I'm most excited about. It's unboxing the RAZER Huntsman Mini. I'm a linear switch kind of person. So yeah, I got a RAZER linear optical switch. Just right here, you can see. So here is the keyboard and here's the documentation. Oh, there's a sticker here. Oh, we got a different kind. For gamers, by gamers. Yes, we are all gamers here. Okay, so, alright, underneath here, I'm guessing is the cable. So there is that. And it's so small. Look at this. Oh my god. It looks so nice. Ta-da! According to their website, the switches are lubed. And very quiet actually. So that's how it sounds like. Oh my god, it's so quiet. I love this. I love this already. Alright, so these are what we unboxed today. So this is the RAZER Huntsman Mini, RAZER Atheris, and then the RAZER Seiren Mini. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and watching my unboxing. I'm really happy with my new gear, my new RAZER gear. So yeah, like if you haven't yet, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time with more Call of Duty videos. So yeah, bye!